Yeah, they down with this. Because they down with this.
And the matchup today, as you see on the screen there, will be between Tamaki Makoto's Howick College and Te Kura Wāhine Waiora, Christchurch Girls High School. Sunday's championship, and away we go here. In Papaia, the kickoff goes straight through to number 13. Well organised pack from Christchurch over the line, and match referee Russell says it is down. Coming from the northern direction, but a beautiful day, 16 degrees Celsius. Perfect for a running futuporo here this afternoon. Clear from the back of the scrum here. Howick, they've run all day, and off she goes up the middle. Pass is good, and it's off to Piao Williams, and she will go all the way. He leads by her actions. Big pass. Regathered and slipped out the side. Covered offence by Howick's number 12, Alina Lavia, but they'll come back for the infringement. Tap and go. Just got to wait for the Kaiwa Wild to show them the mark. And a tap and go again. Christchurch chancing their arms. Gallagher going for the line, and Gallagher will get there. Fitty for their support of Te Reo Māori commentary and development within the industry. Kick and chase here from Howick. Regathered. He fell, lays it back. Second phase play now. Farani, the captain. Just comes off the fingertips, but some promising moments for Howick. They'll come back for a penalty advantage. You know what this team's like. It'll be a tap and go for sure. Here we go. Farani shovels it. It's a hard running Tukana now. 4 metres short of the try line. Christchurch defence being asked the question. Holloway, pick and go. Mariner shovels a skip pass, looking for pace and width, and they'll get it in the hands of the right Piho winger, Uaina Lifau. Final again. Papaoia's Manu Kura. Outstanding Kura. A tap and go. Tukana. And shovels it wide. And it'll work as Motuliki Madison Rose will score out wide for Howick. Tukana with her hands on the ball again. Here comes. Two more Piao Williams. Scored a try in the first half. And here's the replacement. 16. Got a bit of her own medicine. Good defence by Christchurch. Now looking for width again. Howick. It's a double for the Piho winger, Uina Lifau. And over. Christchurch have converted. Christchurch have made it count. Start of Nonoke inside the last minute now. Gallery runs it herself. Well, the counter ruck is good though from Howick. They may get this, and they have turned it over. Two-boy Piao Williams has been good today. She'll shovel it off. And that is full time.
Down with this. You try, but you can't see me. 'Cause I'm down with this. Fuck, I don't know, and you know.